One of the primary reasons carpet cleaning is important is its impact on our health. Carpets act as filters, trapping allergens, dust, pet dander, and other particles. Regular cleaning helps remove these pollutants, improving indoor air quality and reducing the risk of allergies and respiratory issues. Carpets are a significant investment, and proper maintenance is crucial to protect that investment. Regular cleaning removes dirt and debris that can wear down the carpet fibers, helping to extend its lifespan. By keeping your carpets clean, you can enjoy their beauty and comfort for years to come. There are various carpet cleaning methods available, including steam cleaning, dry cleaning, and hot water extraction. Each method has its advantages, and the choice depends on factors such as the carpet type, level of soiling, and personal preference. It's important to choose the method that suits your specific needs. While regular vacuuming and spot cleaning are essential, professional carpet cleaning takes it to another level. Professional cleaners have the expertise, equipment, and knowledge to provide a thorough and effective clean. They can address deep-seated dirt, stains, and odors, restoring the carpet's original beauty and freshness. Clean carpets contribute to a clean and inviting home environment. They enhance the overall aesthetics of a room, creating a fresh and welcoming atmosphere. Whether you have guests over or simply want to enjoy a clean and comfortable space, carpet cleaning plays a significant role in achieving that. Beyond professional carpet cleaning, regular maintenance is key to preserving the cleanliness and beauty of your carpets. Vacuuming at least once a week, addressing spills promptly, and using doormats to prevent dirt and debris from entering the home are simple yet effective preventive measures. Clean carpets contribute to improved indoor air quality by reducing the presence of allergens and pollutants. This is especially important for individuals with allergies, asthma, or respiratory conditions. A clean carpet can help create a healthier and more comfortable living environment for you and your family. In conclusion, carpet cleaning is essential for maintaining a clean and healthy home. It improves indoor air quality, extends the lifespan of carpets, enhances the aesthetic appeal of your space, and contributes to a healthier living environment. By investing in regular carpet cleaning, you can enjoy the many benefits it brings. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable cleaning tips and information. Remember to prioritize carpet cleaning to create a clean, healthy, and beautiful home for you and your loved ones.